Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of doing brain teasers. Brain teasers are puzzles or riddles that are designed to test your mental skills. They can be a fun way to challenge yourself, and they also have a number of benefits for your brain health. Brain teasers can help improve your memory by requiring you to remember patterns, sequences, and other information. Brain teasers can help you develop your problem-solving skills by requiring you to think critically and come up with creative solutions. Brain teasers can help you think outside the box and come up with new ideas. Brain teasers can help improve your mood by giving you a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction when you solve them. You can find brain teasers activities on Etsy, YouTube, books, and online. One great place to find brain teasers is the It Starts at Home YouTube channel. It Starts at Home has a wide variety of brain teasers for all ages and skill levels. If you're looking for a way to keep your brain sharp, try doing a brain teaser today. To learn more about brain teasers and how they can benefit your brain health, visit the It Starts at Home YouTube channel today.